call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, girl. And today I am showing you guys my empty apartment tour before I start moving everything in because sis is ready. Yes. I am ready. So yeah, I have a 1 bedroom, 1 bath apartment, girl. I don't know the terminology for it, but we in my apartment. So we can start with the kitchen first. My favorite part about this whole kitchen is this cabinet. I love how much storage I have in here because this, I don't got nothing. Okay, we don't got a thing. We have an electric oven. I think it's stainless steel appliances. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. This is by LG, Samsung, one of them. The pantry, it has nothing in it right now, but I love the space that I have. So we don't really need that much space, but then you can come around here because it's like cabinet space over here too, like that. We got cabinets, girl. We got storage space. And then we have granite countertops, which I love as well because y'all know my colors, gray, that taupey neutral color, just everything. And then I also love these lights. The lights are so pretty. It is it just screams luxury to me. So I love that. That's one of my favorite parts as well. And then dishwasher here, sink of course, and then my refrigerator. Let me just open it for y'all because my friend got me a little buckley or whatever. So we got some Bel Air. Let me show you guys my Bel Air. So we got some Bel Air in here. And then I just got some waters down there just for now. So then over here, this is actually the front door. We have our light switches over here. This is like the utility closet. And then this is my closet. So yeah, this is my coat closet. It's so big and spacious. Look at these. It is so big in here. Then when we come over here, this is my bathroom first. So we have a full-size mirror here, and then we have some cabinet space here, and then my bathtub is nice and see. I'm so excited about that because y'all know I love baths. And then I really like that you can control the amount of light you want in here. So if I want to set the mood, I can just put that one on, which I love. And then I'm going to change this out because that looks a little tacky to me. But yeah, I just love how deep this bathtub is. Oh, and then my linen closet, I almost forgot. Child, there's so many little closets. So yeah, I have a linen closet. I wish this was a little bit, wider, but it's a lot of space in there. So then in this closet, and lucky number 3 is my washer and dryer. I already have some things in there, girls, so don't mind that. But yeah, I have a full-size washer and dryer here, so love that 8-unit washer and dryer. Child, I ain't no community girl, so I was not about that life. But yeah, that is great too because then I can have some extra space up there to put bedding and just different things up there. My cleaning supplies, I can fit some cleaning supplies over there. I like vacuum and broom and mops and stuff if they're over there. But yeah, I just love how much space it is in here for just to be me. I think it's just perfect. And then my favorite part, which the sun is playing with me. Let's come this way. Alright, Goofy, I'm in your way. So now we are standing in my living room area. I love how big the living room is and how much space we have. Of course, I'm not gonna put anything right here so the boys can run around and play and stuff because I still want them to enjoy this as their home. But I love, you hear the echo, hello! Yeah! So it has I don't know how high these ceilings are, but they're they high. But that is what gives me like the luxury feel that I was going for. So I'm just so grateful for that. And I'm like, girl, that is beautiful, okay? Beautiful. So we may have it over here. This is gonna be like my little office area right here because they have lights right here. And I'm just gonna point them like in different ways. This wall, it might be like my accent wall. I'm still kind of toying around with that because I don't want the space to be darker. Because I like how bright it is in here already. And then we have the dark wood flooring in here. So I don't want, you know, I don't want it to be too dark in here. So then, yeah, my TV's gonna go over here. But y'all will see that. Stay tuned for like decor, furniture shopping, decorating, all that good stuff. We're gonna get into it. So now, Cooper, excuse me. Sorry, buddy. So this is my room. It's so cute. I love it so much. It feels pretty big. I feel like I can still fit my queen size bed in here, have space to like move and groove and stuff. A lot of one bedrooms I was looking at definitely have this big of a room plus like a big walk-in closet, and then we still have the double windows here. So the light, y'all know I thrive in the sun, so y'all know I need a lot of lighting. We still have the really high ceilings in here, which it just makes me feel like a little kid. Hey, Goofy butt. We almost done. You gonna get a bath. This is my walk-in closet, and it has a light in here, so you know you can see or whatever. But it's really, really big in here. Back there, I ain't gonna show y'all that there's some stuff over there. But yeah, it's pretty big. There's shelving all the way around. I love how the shelving is eye level because I can see and like reach up there and stuff. So that is really great. At home, it's a little bit higher, so I be having to like jump. But yes, that is the end of my tour. I am so excited. Like, this is my first apartment. I hope you guys, you know, enjoy this video. If you're looking for an apartment, good luck, because it's super hard finding a luxury apartment that's affordable as well. So good luck to you. Thank you guys for supporting me in my channel and everything that I do over here. It really has helped me in my journey and to become an apartment owner. Like, you're a renter, girl. I don't know what the heck I'm called, girl. It's helped me to come here, to have my own apartment, to have my own space, also to afford Cooper, because he expensive, girl. But I'm just so grateful, and I thank God every day for you guys, as well as just for letting me have these opportunities. So much, much more to come. It's VLOGMAS, so it's about to get lit. And yeah, definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe, because that's the end of this video, girl. Follow me on Instagram at nachi.sunny. And that's it. I will see you guys in the next one.